Briefly explain about micro-niche clarity for choosing unique interest to create a successful online course. Micro-niche clarity involves identifying a specific and narrowly defined area of interest or expertise within a broader topic or industry to create a successful online course. Here's a brief explanation of how micro-niche clarity can help in choosing a unique interest for your course. Research and exploration. Start by researching and exploring different topics or niches within your broader area of expertise or interest. Look for specific subtopics, areas of specialization, or niche markets that have a dedicated audience and potential demand. Identify specific pain points or needs. Once you've identified potential micro-niches, delve deeper to understand the specific pain points, needs, or challenges faced by the audience within each niche. Look for gaps or underserved segments where your expertise or solution can provide unique value. Evaluate market demand and competition. Assess the demand and competition within each micro-niche by conducting market research. Look for indicators such as search volume, keyword popularity, social media engagement, and competition level to gauge the potential viability of each niche. Consider your expertise and passion. Evaluate your own expertise, skills, and passion related to each micro-niche. Choose a niche where you have genuine interest and expertise, as this will make it easier for you to create valuable content and engage with your audience effectively. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Determine what sets your course apart from existing offerings within the chosen micro-niche. Identify your unique selling proposition, USP, or value proposition that differentiates your course and makes it compelling to your target audience. Validate your idea. Validate your chosen micro-niche and course idea by testing it with a small audience or offering a pilot version of your course. Gather feedback, assess interest and engagement, and make adjustments based on the insights you gather. Refine and iterate. Continuously refine and iterate on your course content, marketing strategies, and positioning based on feedback and market insights. Stay agile and adaptable, and be willing to pivot or adjust your approach as needed to maximize the success of your online course within your chosen micro-niche. By focusing on micro-niche clarity, you can identify a unique and specific area of interest or expertise where you can create a successful online course that resonates with your target audience and stands out in the market.